If you're seeing the Riot Vanguard not starting error when launching Valorant, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several quick solutions that can get you back into the game. Let's begin. Solution 1. Restart your PC. Since Riot Vanguard loads when Windows starts, simply restarting your computer may fix the issue. If the error still appears, move to the next solution. Solution 2. Start the Vanguard service. Press Windows plus R, type services.mac, and press Enter. Find the service named VGC. Double-click it, set the startup type to automatic, click Start, then select Apply and OK. Restart your computer and launch Valorant again. Solution 3. Reinstall Riot Vanguard. Open Settings greater than Apps, uninstall Riot Vanguard, and restart your PC. Then launch Valorant again. The Riot client will automatically reinstall Vanguard. Restart your computer one more time after the installation finishes. Solution 4. Run Riot client as administrator. Right-click the Riot client and choose Run as administrator. Then try launching Valorant again. Solution 5. Check Windows security settings. If you're using Windows 11, make sure Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 are enabled. These features are required on supported systems for Riot Vanguard to run properly. Solution 6. Update everything. Install the latest Windows updates, update your graphics drivers, and make sure both the Riot client and Valorant are fully updated. If you've tried every solution and the problem still isn't fixed, perform a clean reinstall of both Valorant and Riot Vanguard using the latest installer from Riot Games. Those are the fastest ways to fix the Valorant Vanguard not starting error in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which solution worked for you.